Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a DXF file from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done to begin here is I've created the square lot project, and if you watched our previous video on creating a square and using the traverse tool in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android, you'll recognize this project. So if I go to my survey screen here, you can see that I've got a number of points laid out on my screen. And what I want to do is I want to export these as a DXF file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my main menu here and I'm going to select export. And then you can see my file type right now is selected as coordinate file. What I want to do is I want to select a DXF file. So I'm going to choose that, the third option there. And you can see here that I now can give it a file name. In this case, it's giving me a square lot-22-04-23. So let me just call this square 2204. And I'm going to hit export here, and then it's going to tell me where my file was exported, and by default that is my FieldGenius projects menu. And if I want to, I can hit share file and send that off to wherever I would like to, but in this case, since I'm just on an emulator on my PC here, I'm not going to be able to share anything. And that is how you export a DXF file from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.